Before we get into this, I just want to give you some examples here. This plant is thriving, doing amazing. So are all of these, those. Got some gorgeous plants. So how exactly do we get these plants to look so amazing? And believe it or not, it's not chemicals, it's not fancy potting soil, it's none of that. It's actually exploiting nature, and nature doing its thing as it's supposed to. This right here, for under $5, that is your key. Now, what is that, you may ask? That is a bee water fountain. Cheaper than $5. It works miracles. And all you do is take a pot, take the bottom of the pot, flip it over on top of it, put some rocks, and just fill up enough water so that the rocks are just barely over it. That's going to allow bees to have somewhere to drink. They're going to flood to it even more. Those bees are going to pollinate your flowers, make them grow nice and healthy, get you some amazing blossoms on it. Giving you examples, it works. Now, how can you boost this, right? How can you make this even more effective than it already is? Well, bees have a tendency to be attracted to banana because their natural hormones for being attracted to each other, as well as swarming, so kind of got to be careful with this. Banana. You're just going to open up a banana, rub it along the sides a little bit. You don't even need to do pieces. This is going to let your bees know your water sources are nearby. They're going to come, pollinate your flowers, and you're going to have a beautiful patio set up. Trust me when I tell you, it works miracles. Thanks for checking out the video. Like, subscribe. See you next time.